If Microsoft Edge is showing the error code result code missing data, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can solve the issue quickly. This is a common browser error that can happen because of corrupted cache, a bad extension, or an outdated version of Edge. So we're going to go step by step and fix it the easy way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is clear your browsing cache. Sometimes old browsing data gets corrupted, and that can interfere with how Edge loads pages and stores information. To do this, open Microsoft Edge, then click the 3 dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Settings, then find Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you see Clear Browsing Data and click Choose what to clear. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files, and if you want to be extra safe, you can also select Cookies and other site data. Then choose All Time as the time range and click Clear Now. Once that is finished, close Edge completely and reopen it to see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to go to the Extensions tab and disable all extensions. Extensions can sometimes conflict with Edge and cause strange loading errors like this one. To check that, click the 3 dots again, then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. You'll now see every extension installed in your browser. Turn off each extension one by one or disable them all temporarily. After that, restart Microsoft Edge and test it again. If the error disappears, that means one of the extensions was causing the issue. In that case, you can turn them back on one at a time to find the exact one that is creating the problem. The third thing you should do is check for updates and make sure Microsoft Edge is fully updated. Running an outdated version of the browser can also trigger errors like result code missing data. To update Edge, click the 3 dots in the top right again, then go to Help and Feedback and click About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and download the latest version if one is available. Let the update finish completely, then restart the browser. After restarting, try using Edge again and see if the issue has been fixed. In most cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the problem. Start with clearing the cache, then disable extensions, and finally update Microsoft Edge. If you go through all 3 carefully, there's a very good chance the error will be resolved. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes, easy guides, and step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.